Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will cover one more scenario for MONMSG command, and today we will discuss about the program level error handling. In last session, we discussed about command level error handling. Today we will discuss about program level error handling. So in order to explain the same, I have created one program. So let me walk you through that code. So what we are doing, firstly we are starting the program with pgm command, then we are declaring one variable. So to declare the variable you can write dcl, then press F4. Here you can pass your variable name, type is decimal, storage is by default set as auto, and then we have length. So we have specified the length as 50. Okay. Below to that, this line I have commented for now because firstly I will show you what error we are getting as of now, and then we will handle it using program level error handling. Okay. Okay. Now we will see the next line, which is chg where. So here we are we are creating the one issue. So for that, let me take F4. So write chg where, then press F4. Here I'm assigning value to num1 variable, but as we declared in at the time of declaration, we decide the length of this variable as 5 digit value, but at the time of assignment we are passing the value as 8 digit, which is incorrect. So this would cause the issue at the time of runtime. Okay. So to trap this error, we will use some generic way or some generic command. Okay. If this error is not there, then it will directly go and print the number what we have passed inside that. Otherwise it will give the error. And in and pgm we are using one command, which is term. Just write end pgm, press F4, and in label you can put anything. Like for now I keep it as a terminate, and then scroll up. So once this line we will uncomment, I will let you know like why we are using this label for this npm. Okay, for now we are just going to generate issue. So I'm compiling it. It is compiled successfully, but at the time of run calling it fails. So it gives this error mch1210. So let's see what is this. So it tells receiver value too small to hold the result. Okay, and this error id start with mch1210. So to handle all the errors which initiated with mch, we will write some generic code. So for that reason I will keep uncomment this line. So you just need to write MONMSG, then press F4. Here you can put your initials. So initials of the error is MCH and then 0000. So what it will do, it will handle all the errors which start with MCH, and after that it will go for MCH till 9999. Okay, so this is how it will work. And in execute command to execute, we are using go to. In command level we have passed that terminate. So what it will do, once it occurs in error, it directly go to this end pgm block. It means it terminates the program without any failure. So this is how it works. In our previous session, what we were doing, we were just declaring the mon message just after the command, because at that time we were sure that this might cause any issue. So that's why we are using that command, do command. So mon message with do. So whatever the things written in between the do and undo, it will execute that. It was executing that thing, right? But now what we are doing, we are just generating the generic message here. We are handling it in generic way. So let's see how it will work. So whenever the error occur, it will directly go and terminate the program. So let's see how it is working. So I'm compiling this program in with source, and then we will take this program in debug. strdbg F4. Here I will put my program name, my library name, and then I will put yes on both these fields. So once we will enter in this debug screen, then we will set the breakpoint on line 1 by using br1, and then we'll press F10, and after that we will call that program and we'll see the execution one by one. Okay, so here I will put br1 for setting breakpoint on line number 1, then pressing F10, calling this program, doing page down, so it comes to this line and here the error occurs, so it directly go to this line. It didn't check for these lines, right? Why? Because the execution was handled or trapped by this message ID MCH0000. So this is how it works. Okay, and if we pass the correct value, then what will happen? It will execute normally. So let's see, try that. So now I will pass the value as 1 2 3 4 only. So this time it should work as expected without any kind of error or termination. So you can see it prints the value. So this is how MONMSG work at program level. Okay, so most of the time you have also seen that people are using CPF here. So it means all the error that it starts with or that begins with CPF will be handled throughout the program. So this is the way how we can write the generic term. Like if you want to handle all the error which start with CPF and initial two number is 1 2. So what it will do, it will trap all the errors which start with CPF 1 2. Okay, and after that there is 2 0, so there could be anything. Similarly, if you want to handle MCH related errors, then you can write MCH 1200. If you are using CPF 0000, then what it will do, it will handle all the errors that starts with CPF 0000 and till CPF 9999. And if you are passing CPF 9999, then it will check for all the errors which comes after CPF 9999. Okay, so this is a way through which we can handle the error at program level. So I hope now both the things are clear, how we can use command level as well as program level error handling. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.